Hello everyone, myself Rahul Kumar from GCRG Group of Institution. I am published my research paper that is iVoting, Android application for internet voting in International Journal of Science and Research. I am writing this research paper under the guidance of Hima Saxena and Dr. Suman Sharma, Assistant Professor of GCRG Group of Institution. The main objective of our project is to focus to resolve human problems which is faced during voting time. We are making web and Android application which will provide various functions to solve that issues. This application will prevent vote theft. There is some problems which is faced by human in voting time. Waiting in long line for vote, time waste in voting time, face health problems, vote theft, voting machine error, and maximum paper waste in voting. Facility provided by proposed application to resolve all that issues. We develop an Android and web application. Using this application, nominee upload his all details and voter also is upload his details. Send verification OTP and vote success SMS on phone. Automatic vote counting. Download identity card using this application. Use face recognition technique to make it high secure. And application divide is some modules, which is first module is admin. In this application, main admin can add the all candidates details like nationality, name, identity, documents just like Aadhaar card, PAN card, DL, voter ID, ticket ID, voting shape, area upload selfie. Admin have a ability to create election and face change. Divide in some modules, which is candidate module. In this application, candidate have ability to fill his all details like nationality, name, identity, and documents. Candidates are seen all his election result and also have a ability to correction in his details. Voter module. Voter have ability to fill his all details and there is some ability voter can easily download his voter ID from his application. When a voter fill his details, then that time application will show he is eligible for vote or not. And voter also seen the election result. When a voter vote, then he will receive vote success SMS on his phone. There is a proposed methodology for internet voting. We use Python programming language and Python frameworks. And there is database is MongoDB and MySQL. There is a flowchart of and working procedure for internet voting system. Some requirements of our project: Android and web application, storage, Firebase, real-time database, authentication for security. Future scope of our project is using this application, people to vote candidate from his home. That application easily download in his mobile phone using Play Store. That application stopped duplicacy. Candidate and voter not use fake ID for vote. Vote theft can be avoided using that application. This application is totally made to vote paperless. This application is high secure because it is work with government documentary. In this application, we use authentication for security. This application work with real-time database. This application require minimum storage because all the data is stored in cloud. We develop an Android and web application for work. It uses face recognition technology for upload real-time selfie in voting time. Our project conclusion is we make application which is that is internet voting system. That application is very useful because it is help to people to vote candidate from his home using mobile phone. That application is easily downloaded in mobile phone. That application stop duplicacy. People will not need to be going anywhere for vote. That application stopped crime. Candidate not use fake ID for vote. Vote theft can be avoided using that application. That application is very useful for all the peoples. There is a references which is help for making our project. Thank you.